Chapter 3 Explanation. The topic are Save the environment. Both living and non-living things make up our environment. First, we start living thing. What do you mean by living thing, children? Now, living thing which can grow, move, breathe and reproduce are called living thing. For example, people, plant, flower and animal are the living thing. Now, moving on, our next topic, non-living thing. What do you mean by non-living thing? Now, thing which cannot grow, move, breathe and reproduce are called non-living thing. For example, children, blackboard, chair, desk, pencil and book, these are the non-living thing. What do you mean by environment? The air we breathe, the water we drink and the place we live are part of our environment. To live a healthy life, we must clean our environment, children. Now different types of pollution which harm our environment. How many types of pollution, children? 4 types of pollution. That first one, air pollution. Second, water pollution. Third, land pollution. And fourth, noise pollution. So how many types of pollution? 4 pollution. Okay, now shall we start our first topic, air pollution. Now moving on, our first topic, air pollution. Children, air is all around us. We need air to live, animal and plant. Also need air to fresh breathe. Now trees and plant make the air fresh and cool. Air that is polluted harm us and environment. Now what is air pollution? First, air कैसे polluted होता है? Now first thing, smoke from factories and vehicle, burning of garbage, plastic and wood. Now bursting on firecrackers, sneezing or coughing without covering one's mouth. What we can do: grow more trees, walk or cycle short distance, do not burn garbage or dry leaves, avoid bursting firecrackers, use a handkerchief when coughing or sneezing so the germ do not spread. Now children, moving on our next topic, water pollution. Now what is water pollution? We need water to our daily life like bath, cook, wash clothes, grow crops and clean things. Okay, now plant and animal also need of water in our daily life. So children, water is also used to generate electricity. Okay, there can be no life without water, children. Now rain is the main sources of water, है ना? Some of this water goes the underground. Okay, we drink up this water and use it for different activities, children. Now what polluted water? Dumping or wasting from house and factory into a water body. Animal bathing in pond, lake and river. People are also bathing, washing clothes and utensils in water bodies, children. Now children, what we can do जिससे हमारा पानी polluted ना हो? Never throw wastage in a pond, lake and river. Okay, now avoid bathing, cleaning and washing clothes in water bodies. Okay, children. Now moving on, our next topic, land pollution. Now children, what is land pollution? Now land is one of the most important resources available to us. We use land to grow crop, construction, building and build factories. Okay, now children, what polluted land? throwing of garbage in the open area, dumping of waste by factory using chemical fertilizer in field. Now children, what we can do for our land? Plant more trees, throw wastage in dustbin, use natural manner to improve the soil. Now children, moving on our last topic, noise pollution. We hear various sound, no, the sound that we hear every day, some only are pleasant to our ear. Now children, too much noise causes noise pollution. It can damage our hearing. Okay. What are the clauses? Listening to music and watching television high volume, horning on vehicle, busting of firecracker, use of loudspeaker. Children. Now children, what we can do? Listening to music on a low volume, avoid unnecessary horning, plant trees as they absorb sound. Now children, we are completed at this chapter. Save the environment, save the earth.